Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to customize your home screen on Android phone. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have opened my Android phone and this is my home screen. And first of all, I'm going to add my favorite application or important application to this home screen. So we can go to the apps screen and I'm going to add camera application, for example, so I can get quick access to my camera. And we have to tap and hold on the camera and we can click on add to home. And now the camera has been added to my home screen and I'm going to place it right here. And on this empty space, I'm going to add my Instagram application. We can go back to the app screen again, tap and hold on the Instagram application and click on add to home. And I'm going to move it here on the empty space. And right here, I'm going to add clock and weather information. We can tap and hold on this empty area. Then we can go to widget and we can scroll down to find the weather widget, this one. And I'm gonna go with this weather and clock. Okay, then we can click on add. And now the weather and clock information has been added to my home screen. And I think the Google search bar will be good. And I'm going to add my Google search bar as well. And we can go to the widget again. Go to widget and you can go to the Google. Okay, and this is the Google search bar. I'm going to add it to my home screen. Okay, now it's done, and that's how I customize my home screen on Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.